Last summer, I have fun with Teacher Ishii and Teacher Ram, and they're so fun teachers. Let's see what we did in dance class. This is our recital at Solaire.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. Physically fit, physically fit, physically fit, physically fit, physically fit, woman, nice, great, fantastic. Mix your body ocean at the big time, can it come in a nice, sweet, energetic. Mix your body ocean at the big time, can it come in a nice, sweet, fantastic. Mix your body ocean at the big time, can it come in a nice, sweet, fantastic. Mix your body ocean at the big time, can it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. 3, 2, 1. To the sky high. We go like a
And it was very, 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 very fun. But there's too many and many of us. This is my daddy. He's very funny.
What does it say?
These are big posters, but I cannot see them because I cannot see them with all the chairs because I was dancing. My aunties and uncles also watch me. And my lolas too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a good time watching it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.